Friends, let's have a serious conversation about composition notebook planning, because I live in this guy here. This is my Hobonichi. My Hobonichi cost me many more dollars than the composition notebook. So why is it that I feel like the Hobonichi and I are just about ready to break up? And I'm not kidding. I'm not being dramatic. I'm not trying to do bait click. I'm serious. This is a beautiful notebook. I love the paper. I love the feel. What I don't love is the limitation. The limitation of having a monthly layout, a weekly layout, and then a daily layout that I rarely actually keep up on. I don't do meal planning in this. I do meal planning in a composition notebook, which you guys have seen on this channel. I think you've seen on this channel. Hopefully you've seen on this channel. It's on this channel. This is a regular 100% $1 composition notebook from Walmart. There is nothing fancy about this thing. Nothing. It is regular college ruled notebook paper. This is what I'm thinking about breaking up for my Hobonichi for. I know. I'm struggling with this too, but if you look at this layout and you look at how versatile it could be. Versatile. Sure. Over here, I've written in the calendar. So this is February. This is the last full week in February that I'm showing you. I have pulled stickers from this sticker book. I've used this sticker book a ton, as you can see. There are quite a few stickers missing from this sticker book. I got it from AliExpress, and I think it was pennies on the dollar. Pennies on the dollar. This is the ruler that I used to make my days. It's exactly, let's just see. Whoa, nope, wrong way. Yeesh. I would say 1 3/4 and a thing. Whatever that is. I don't do measurements. I just know that this is the right amount to get the right amount of days, right? I mean, that's how we measure. It's this far, it's this far, it's this far. So, am I seriously thinking about breaking up with my Hobonichi for a composition? I am. You guys know I don't like transient planners. And by transient, I mean you can rip out the pages, you can ignore your mistakes. This has everything I would want in the perfect planner. I could find planner piece in a composition notebook. Downsides? What do you do when you find planner piece? Like, where do you go from there? So back to the layout that I have. The month here. I've got my priorities. This is a piece of washi tape here that I've written on with the Sharpie, just the regular Sharpie ultra fine point. That's what I've written on all of these with. And then you pop into this marker to do these guys, right? Easy peasy, beautiful CoverGirl. I have taken my Pentel Energel Clenna, sorry. And that is what the majority of my penmanship is done in. The more bold is going to be your G210 or the Signo 1 point. Love this pen. I will show you though, it does bleed a bit. So you can see it ghosting a little bit, which honestly I'm fine. And I used all of this washi tape in this week, all of them. There's not one in here that I didn't use. So if your goal for 2024 is to use your stash, I was going to say another word, but I'll just keep it, use your stash. This is a great way to use your stash, right? In fact, there's one more on here. Why don't I have it on my desk? Oh, it's this washi. I'm not sure where it ran off to. Oh, there it is. It was hiding in the flowers. Hiding in the flowers. Again, all the stickers came from the sticker book. Everything in here is what I want to know for the week. I've got my checklists. I've got what book I'm reading. I've got what movies I'm binging or episodes I'm binging. We kind of missed the boat on Stranger Things, so we're just doing it now. And we're on season 4, and holy moly macaroni. I don't know what's happening, but I was so glad, no spoilers, that You Know Who is still around. Just going to leave it at that. So I've got a few more things to figure out and fill out, especially meal prep. That is going to be on Sunday. Today is Friday that I'm filming this, so you can kind of see where I'm at. But yeah, I am really finding some planner peace in this composition notebook, and the cover is nothing fancy. I took a couple of Dollar Tree stickers and put it on the front, and that is it, because I still want it to be recognizable. But then one of my subscribers said to look up altered composition notebooks. You guys, there is a lot to that. So I may go down that rabbit hole. I don't know. I definitely have the supplies to do it. Let me know down below if you've watched the altered composition notebook plan with me's or I don't know what they're even called, like decorate with me, revamp with me. I don't know. They're pretty intense. Let me know down below if you have watched those. Comment, absolutely comment. I'll meet you down there. Like this video and subscribe if you want to see more like artistic, I don't know, whatever this is in a composition notebook. This notebook cost me $1. $1. And I'm using up all of my supplies, all of my stash. So making it beautiful for $1, quite a deal. I love you. I hope you have a good day. I will talk to you soon. Bye.